Hey, what's up, social media world? Thanks for joining me on this little short video. This is Micah Wolf, and I'm in my shop, Wolf Customs, and shop/studio. Weigh in on that. Tell me if this is a shop or studio. Anyways, I'm pretty excited today. I'm gonna pan the camera around. Okay, so I was in Joplin this morning running errands, and I went to Habitat for Humanity store, and I found these chandeliers, and I like chandeliers. I guess when I was a little kid, I remember going to the chandelier store with my mom, and I was just fascinated by all the lights. So while I have this lift, because it didn't matter if I returned the lift this morning or wait till Monday morning, it was the same price. So I'm gonna put some of these light fixtures up. Super excited. I like quirky stuff. So, you know, everybody needs a shop, a fab shop or a custom shop or a studio with chandeliers, right? So my project for this afternoon is I'm getting ready to hang this one, and I'm using these CFL bulbs that I got on clearance a long time ago. I bought like a case of them. And anyway, it's just probably a little bit heavier or larger capacity bulb than what's recommended. So the wire that came with it is like this puny 20 gauge, and I swapped it out for some 16 gauge, and I think that'll work just fine. Hey, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.